Title, From Court to Court, Ex-Bama baller, Darius Miles, strikes out on bail plea, again. TLDR, the one-time Alabama b-ball star, Darius Miles, and his pal, Lynn Davis, are tangled in the legal net. They're accused of involvement in the fatal shooting of Jamar Harris, 23. Miles' bid for bail was denied once more on Wednesday, and he's been warming the bench in jail since January 15. Question is, will the court ever pass him the ball of freedom? Whoa, folks. When did basketball turn into a game of cops and robbers? In a situation that could give a whole new meaning to March Madness, former Alabama basketball player Darius Miles, aged 21, was benched by the court for the second time since he was charged with a capital murder rap. Now, that's one foul that's hard to shake off. His name has been making the rounds, but not for his skills on the hardwood. Rather, he's been on everyone's radar due to the tragic shooting death of Jamar Harris, 23, that occurred earlier this year. Now, that's a game nobody wants to play. Our guy Miles, together with his buddy Lynn Davis, have been cooling their heels behind bars since January 15. Their alleged role in Harris' death has led them into some pretty serious foul trouble, with the Tuscaloosa County Circuit Judge Daniel Pruitt calling for a timeout on their bail request, not once, but twice. But Judge, we were just defending ourselves, was the plea from Miles and Davis's defense team during a previous court hearing. Apparently, a confrontation with someone in Harris' group had them on the defensive. So, was it a justified shot, or was it an out-of-bounds play? According to the court's playbook, though, it seems like they're leaning more towards the latter. Court documents reveal that not only is Davis accused of firing the lethal shot that struck Harris while she sat in the passenger seat of a car, but Miles is said to have tossed him the proverbial handgun assist right before the shooting. Now, that's a 1-2 play that's a little hard to swallow for basketball fans. But the question here is, can they bounce back from this? And when will the next hearing take place? Could there be a shot at redemption, or are they stuck on the bench for the foreseeable future? That said, we don't want to leave you hanging, so let's talk about it, guys and gals. In a game where the stakes are this high, was this alleged defensive move justifiable or not? What does this mean for athletes, and how can they avoid such fouls off the court? And importantly, is our justice system playing a fair game when it comes to young athletes? Disclaimer, this article does not provide legal advice or recommendations. The details provided are based on the information available at the time of writing, and they are subject to change as the case progresses.